Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to permanently remove or disable OneDrive from Windows 10. Click OneDrive, 3 dots. Click Settings. Click Settings tab. Uncheck Start OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows. Click OK. Click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Type OneDrive in search bar. Click Microsoft OneDrive. Click Uninstall. Click Uninstall. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.